What's up, Internet land? This is your boy, Moises Beauchamp, from Success for Felons. That's right, where we are empowering felons to uprise. Yep, America's #1 largest felon success network. A team of like-minded felons who are committed to creating wealth and achieving success through personal development and learning some new skills to become entrepreneurs. That's right. And today's video, we are comparing Power Lead System with ClickFunnels. Power Lead System is a tool that I use to do all this stuff that I do to make money from home. And ClickFunnels, it's a tool that is something like Power Lead System. Is almost the exact same thing. It does the same thing. The only difference is that ClickFunnels is mad expensive, and it is a little bit easier to use, but it's mad expensive. And Power Lead System does the same thing. It's just as easy, but it's a little bit more to it. And what I love about it is that it has all the education that is needed to be successful online. My friends, with that said, I want to offer you to come through and pick up your free copy of Building Simple Freedom. This booklet helps you organize your business. It helps create a stable, long-term, and evergreen approach to building your business and creating consistent cash flow. And I want to also offer you to come through and pick up your free copy of the Simple Freedom booklet. This booklet teaches you the 6 easy steps to cash flow online. And the awesome thing about this booklet is that if you can share it, you can share that simple little booklet, you can make money. Inside that booklet, the author, Franco Gonzalez, he shows you how simple it is to create cash flow online, starting today. So, go ahead and pick up that book and read it today, my good peoples. Awesome book. Check out my latest post. It's got a rags to riches story there of an ex-felon from the South Bronx, New York. How he became a CEO. It's an inspiring story. And you could also find out the true meaning of holidays from the docs, Mike and Samantha. And I also put together 5 lessons in life that ex-felons learned too late check that out. Alright, my people, so let's get on with the topic. Okay, the topic is what's better, the power lead system or ClickFunnels. Like I said, in my opinion, ClickFunnels is way expensive. I mean, it's awesome, and I mean, it's an awesome tool, but all you really need is power lead system if you're just starting out. If you're new at this thing, all you really need is the power lead system. With the power lead system, I build out all my pages, every single last page that I have on the internet. I build it out with the power of the power lead system. And another good thing that's awesome about this tool is the training. Check this training out, man. This training area is super amazing. And, you know what I mean, you could also pick up some other training here, like the Social Profit Academy. Basically teaches you how to use social media to advertise your business. You get the endless free leads that comes free, you know, with your order of the power lead system. You got the free ad secrets, you know what I'm saying? Show you how to write out your ads, how to, you know what I'm saying, how to create ads and make more money in your business. Yeah, man. All this, it comes with the power lead system. The training area is super amazing. I mean, yeah, you gotta buy these ones here. And then some of them come with your order of the power lead system. But super cool, man. Super cool. Gotta log back in. Show you this training area back here. Everything you need, you know what I'm saying, to learn how to use the internet to make money. It's all in here. Go ahead and log in right quick. Take a sip of my drink while I wait for that. This is why the power lead system, in my opinion, is so much better than ClickFunnels. Because of this, the training. Yeah. Because of this training, that's why, in my opinion, power lead system is way better than ClickFunnels. Because with this training, you can learn how to promote anything on the internet. If you an artist, like a rapper or a singer or whatever, this training shows you how to use social media sites and this system to promote your music or whatever it is that you do. This is why, in my opinion, power lead system is better than ClickFunnels. Yep. That's why. Well, anyway, my good peoples, come on through. Find out all about us here at Success for Felons. Find out what we're all about. For some reason, my internet is running heck of a slow. But yeah. Come on through. Find out what we are all about here at Success for Felons. Find out what we're about. I said earlier, we're about teaching other ex-felons the online hustle. It's that simple. We got free training, our free internet marketing school is available to you 24/7. Marketing school. Come on through and register so you can get fast results and get them results super fast. You can generate income while you learn as you become financially independent. Come on through and discover how. One love, my good peoples. This is why, in my opinion, the power lead system is better than ClickFunnels. Peace. If you enjoyed this video about power lead system versus ClickFunnels, click that like button. If you didn't like it, go ahead and click the dislike button. If you think that there is something different out there that's better than either one, ClickFunnels or power lead system, let me know in the comment section. Alright? And if you know a felon, or you yourself are a felon, and you're tired of lying on them job applications, come on through and watch this video. This video is what helped me stop chasing them dead-end jobs. What I learned on this video is what helped me to build my online business. So, if you yourself are a felon, come on through and watch the video. Register to get access to the free video presentation there. Alright, so you could reveal how you can stop chasing them dead-end jobs and you can finally start building a full-time income working from home. And if you're not a felon, share it. Share it with someone. Alright? Because we all know somebody who is unemployable. You feel me? One love, my good peoples. You guys have a phenomenal and wonderful day. Peace.